On 23, I'm condensing the logarithms. So my first step is going to be to use the power rule to bring up these coefficients as exponents. So this is going to be ln of x to the 7th minus ln of y to the 3. And then this subtraction sign tells me to combine them using the quotient rule. So my final answer will be ln of x to the 7 over y to the 3. Now I do want to show an alternate way to solve this. So when we brought up the 3 as an exponent, we left the negative sign there. So I want to show what happens if you bring up the negative sign with the 3. So this would be ln of x to the 7 plus ln of y to the negative 3. And then the plus sign would tell you to use the product rule. So this would be ln of x to the 7th times y to the negative 3. But then, because we have a negative exponent, we need to move that to the denominator. So this would become ln of x to the 7 over y to the positive 3. So either way is okay, as long as you can get ln of x to the 7 over y to the 3. On number 24, my first step is going to be to use the power rule to bring up these coefficients as exponents. So I have ln of x to the 4th plus ln of y to the 7th minus ln of z to the 3. And then this plus sign tells me to use the product rule, and this minus sign tells me to use the quotient rule. So combining them into one logarithm, it's ln of x to the 4th times y to the 7th over z to the 3.